Hello guys, we are new graphics design in the Python. This is VS Code typing for Python code from tutorial input color setup input background color BG short form BG black any choice color background color pen size 5 this is choice number your any number teacher and speed from graphics art setup color setup this for loop in range 450 color setup R this is your random color setup fill color background color fill black any choice color left right from short form RT 120 forward from FD short form FD 690 right 6000 300 begin this is a fill then go to this is display random size graphics middle left right top button this is go to use right from 200 this is mathematical logic so we are math algebra this is important for right part Python $300 for range K range for loop 3 left 363 int fill this is done code so new graphics design comment box like subscribe flow this is code run this is graphics like comment and small step learn to with me Python so thank you guys see you